Hey everybody, happy Sunday. Welcome back to Caddy Girl Garage. So I've been requested by several people to do a cold start on the Blazer. So that's what I'm going to do here in a few minutes. Pretty uneventful, but several people, like I said, have asked to see it. Still trying to get the title registration worked out on this thing. It needs a bath desperately. It's dirty again. But just going to show you guys the gauges so you can see that it truly is a completely cold start. Anyway, there's the gauges for you guys. All right, so I'm gonna set up 3 different camera angles, one in the engine compartment, one underneath the truck, and then obviously one from inside. See you guys in a second. So inside now, just showing gauges again so you guys can truly see this is a cold start. Like I said, I need to vacuum the truck, got lint all over my carpet. Need to do a good detail on it. But anyway. There you have it. Like I said, pretty uneventful. But I've got 3 camera angles set up. Everybody likes to see one from the back of the truck, from under the hood. I still have my New York registration stickers in the window from the previous owner. Those are gonna have to stay, unfortunately, until we get the rest of the registration fiasco worked out. I'll tag that video in the end of this one. But all gauges, all lights, everything works on this truck. I mean, it's just absolutely pristine. I love it. But like I said, hopefully we can get something worked out soon with registration. So anyway, there's your cold start video, everybody. Hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and also it helps the channel if you hit the hype button. So please do me a favor and hit that hype button. Thank you guys so much. See you next time. Alright, so inside now, just showing gauges again so you guys can truly see this is a cold start. Like I said, I need to vacuum the truck, that went all over my carpet. Do a good detail on it. But anyway. Inside now, just showing gauges again so you guys can truly see this is a cold start. Like I said, I need to vacuum the truck, that went all over my carpet. Do a good detail on it. But anyway.